Hello everybody, my name is Yachty Girl Flavor and I am coming back with a healthy, delicious recipe for today. So I have some purple sweet potato, I have some butternut squash, and down here I have some baby white turnip. Everything has been washed and peeled. And I'm also gonna add some Brussels sprout. So these are gonna be seasoned with some rosemary, fresh thyme, some olive oil, and salt and black pepper. And I will definitely add some Mrs. Dash because I love it. So stay tuned to see how this turns out. And we're gonna serve this with some salmon. Not sure what direction I'm going with the salmon, but you will see the end results. So I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I have some wax paper here on a sheet pan. I sprayed it with some canola oil. I have chopped my veggies. They're all here. I'm about to season them with the thyme, the rosemary, the garlic, some olive oil, and some Himalayan salt. So I've added my rosemary, my thyme, I'm adding my garlic. So this is how it looks. I add the thyme, the rosemary, the olive oil, the garlic, fresh garlic, some garlic powder, Mrs. Dash, some Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. So I'm about to transfer this to the sheet pan. I really go for colors, and these are my colors: purple, yellow, and green. So here we go, transfer to the sheet pan, and we're gonna let this roast or bake for 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So this is how I have arranged them on my sheet pan, and it's about to go in the oven, and then I'm gonna start working on my salmon.
I was looking for you, Mommy.
This is my salmon. I'm going with towards a lemon pepper feel. I have cut my salmon. These are really some thick, chunky pieces. I got this at our local farmers market. I add some Mrs. Dash, smoked paprika, Italian season, some salt, slap your mama, and I also had some seafood boil seasoning, as well as my name says, flavor. I'm coming with the flavor. There's some other season that I add in here that I won't name publicly just for my purpose, but here it is, and it's gonna go in the oven on a different sheet tray, and it's gonna be yummy. So this is a stone sheet pan that I got from Pampered Chef. I really like using it. It really has some weight to it. So let's go. So this is my salmon. I cut the wax paper to fit the smallness of this sheet pan. I'm gonna let it sit for a while before I put it in the oven. So we're halfway through with our roasting process. I just really love colors, but definitely watch the end to see how I plate this all up. So here we have our finished roasted vegetables. They smell so delicious. I can't wait to taste. So here we have our finished product and plating. I add some lemon slices just in case if anybody want extra lemony flavor, but the salmon is marinated in lemon pepper sauce. And these veggies are so yummy, you can definitely have them by